Use a T15 bit to remove the screws on the housings. Remove the housing cover. Disconnect all the terminals that connect with the main electric assembly. Loosen the 6 screws to disconnect the wire harness on the main electric assembly. Loosen the 4 screws and remove the main electric assembly. Replace a new main electric assembly and tighten 4 screws. Connect all the terminals and secure the wire harness with screws. Secure the wires in the wire traps. Repeat procedure to secure the left wire harness. Install the housing cover and secure with screws.